Wait for it to load. Okay, so all database. What I'm going to do is click, they changed it, cross search. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the Power Search, general research. That's going to be best for us. So just like in Google, these have search boxes. Unlike Google, putting in full phrases, like where's the best place to get a taco in Cedar Rapids, is not going to get you anything. What it's going to do, it's going to look for every single word in that phrase, and it's going to give you the results that feature any of those words in that phrase. So that's going to give you a lot of stuff, right? So this is where those Boolean videos that you either have watched or are going to watch come in. That's where you need your specific search terms. My topic of new owners avoiding common behavior problems in their dogs, if I type that in, I'm not going to get much. In fact, I'm not going to use the word new owners at all because I already know that I need to focus. That tells me I need to focus on the basics of training. So I'm going to type in dog behavior problems and see what we get real quick. Search. Is it going? Oh, I have to select all the databases. Silly me. There we go. Okay, so it looks like I have a bunch of magazine results and blah, blah, blah. So look at this very first source that pops up. It says, researchers from University Hospital report details of new studies and finding in the area of behavior disorders. And the magazine is Women's Health Weekly. Does that sound like a article that's going to help me with dogs? No, because like I said, it just looked for these words, but it looked for them separately. Anyone know how I can tell a search bar it must include certain words? Yep. I'm going to put quotes around the word dog. Now it has to include dog. Okay. That did not work. Teach your dog to behave. Simple solutions. The dog whisperer. Common problems. So now that didn't work. So I'm going to do dog behavior. I'm going to link those two. Oh, you know what? I don't think it's updated its stuff yet. That's what the problem is. It's thinking. Go away. It hasn't updated. I think something is going on with my internet. Oh, nope. There we go. Ooh, I got a lot more. Okay. We got all sorts of weird stuff here. So I'm going to have to go back to my drawing board on this and rethink my search terms. So let me try dog training. I'll just try dog training. And that's going to take a second to load. Okay. Now I've got stuff about dogs. That's great. Now, because this is by recency, not relevancy, I'm getting a lot of stuff about being at home and doing training. So I'm going to want to drill down, maybe do an advanced search and find some more information. Dig a little deeper on that, okay? So that's what Gale looks like. Whoops.